A taste of food. What is your favorite food? Is it pizza? Yummy! Or is it ice cream? Pizza is salty, but ice cream is sweet. Food can taste sweet, bitter, sour, or salty. There is lots of sugar in sweet food. Sweet food is everyone's favorite. But too much sugar is bad for your teeth. Biscuits and cakes are sweet. They are delicious. Ice cream is sweet too. Sweets can make you smile. Look at these children's happy faces. There isn't any sugar in bitter food. Green olives are bitter, but they are tasty in a salad. Cocoa is bitter too. Are children fans of bitter food? Not really. Lemons are sour. Lemon in your food can give it more flavor. Sour food and drinks can be great in summer. Lemonade is perfect on a hot day. Crisps are great, but they are salty. Salt can give flavor to food, but it's not good to eat a lot. Cheese is also salty, and it's great in a sandwich with tomato. What's your favorite food?